In this video, I'll show you how to mass delete emails in Gmail. If you want to mass delete emails based on your specific criteria, Gmail's advanced search features can make it easy. Follow these steps to efficiently clean up your inbox. Open your Gmail inbox in a web browser and click on the advanced search button. A form will appear where you can specify your search criteria as sender, date range, or subject. Enter the desired criteria, then click on search. Your search results will appear in the box showing emails that match your criteria. You'll also see the exact search terms you could have manually entered in the search bar. Click Select All checkbox at the top left of the email list. This will select the first 50 results that match your criteria. To select all emails matching the search, click the Select All Conversions or Conversation Story that match this search link that appears above your email list. Once all desired emails are selected, click Delete, Trash Can icon or Archive button at the top of the inbox and confirm your prompt if selected. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.